In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable I'm Not a Robot on Google Chrome. This setting is found inside Chrome Settings, under Site and Content Controls. Depending on your version of Chrome and your region, labels may look slightly different, but the path is the same. The goal here is to enable an option called Auto Verify, which can reduce how often you are asked to complete I am not a robot checks on supported sites. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From that menu, select Settings. A new tab will open with the Chrome Settings page. On the left sidebar, find and click Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles website permissions, tracking protections, and other security-related options. In the main center area of the page, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where you can manage what websites are allowed to do, such as using cookies, showing pop-ups, or accessing your camera and location. It is also where Chrome stores certain advanced content options. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the Site Settings page. Near the bottom, look for Additional Content Settings. Click Additional Content Settings to expand it. This reveals extra options that are not shown in the main list. In that expanded list, select Auto Verify. When the Auto Verify page opens, you will see a toggle switch. Click the toggle to turn it on. When it is enabled, it should appear blue. With Auto Verify turned on, Chrome can help streamline verification prompts where supported, which may make browsing feel smoother. After you have turned the toggle on, you can close the Settings tab. The change saves automatically, so there is no separate save button. That covers everything you need to know.